Hi guys, I'm Adrian Jacobs. Today I'm going to be creating a look that I did on the promotions of Panipat for Kriti Sanon. We had a really loud mouth, a red lip and a stunning winged liner. So we are going to create that today on Celebrity Looks 101. So here it is, the Panipat look is created. She's wearing her black and here we have the red lip and the liner. Let's look at what we've done.
Isn't it just amazing?
It is amazing, but I think something's missing.
What is
Okay,
that?
wait. The red flowers.
Exactly.
So can we have the hairstylist come and put some red flowers, please? So as promised, I've got on the flowers on our beautiful model and it is right here. This completes the look that I've recreated for Panipat. Hi guys, I'm Adrian Jacobs and today on Celeb Looks 101, I'll be creating one of these very interesting looks I did for the promotions of Mimi on Kriti Sanon, the pink and the green fusion eyes. I hope you like it. So guys, I created the Mimi look, the Mimi promotion look on Kriti Sanon. I loved the look then. I remember it was the first day of our promotion. We were really excited. What do we do? It's pink outfit. So I said, let's go color instead of going completely pale all the time, which is also fantastic. But it's very interesting how we have actually used these steps, but I'm going to show to you completely with the hairdo too.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.